Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. This is me, Saima Javed from Pinku's English School. I welcome you all in the cooking session. And today I'm making chicken donuts. They are very delicious and scrumptious and equally liked by everyone. It's super healthy. So let's have a look on the recipe. Now the ingredients which we will be requiring for chicken donuts are, first of all, we will be needing chicken, minced chicken. This is half kg or 500 grams of minced chicken. It should be very finely minced, or you can just grind it as well. Then we will be needing finely chopped bread slices. These are the 4 slices which I have chopped, or you can take bread crumbs as well. Then we will be needing onions. Again, we have to grind this onion. These are 2 small onions. Then mashed potatoes. We will be needing 2 mashed potatoes. 2 medium sized mashed potatoes will be required. Then chili flakes, coriander leaves. Then we will be needing soya sauce, chili sauce. You can take chili garlic as well. Then we will be needing salt as per taste, chicken powder and green chilies, a mixing bowl and a spatula to mix it. Now we will be mixing all the ingredients in a bowl. First we are taking this chicken over here, and then we will be needing bread slices. We are using half of the bread slices right now. Then we will be needing this onion, chopped onion or the grind one. We will be just pouring this mashed potatoes. Then red chili flakes, 1, 2 and 3 here. You can add as per your taste, and if you are making these donuts for the kids, you can also skip this ingredient. Salt, we will be needing salt, nearly 2 teaspoons. Then chicken powder we will be needing 1 and 2 teaspoons of chicken powder. Soya sauce, 5 teaspoons of soya sauce right now I am just pouring, and 5 teaspoons of chili sauce. You can take chili garlic sauce as well. And then coriander leaves. We will be needing all coriander leaves. And green chilies. I am mixing all the green chilies. Now we have to mix these ingredients. It is better to mix it with the hand so that it will. Now you can see our batter is ready, and what we have to do, we have to just keep this batter for half an hour in the refrigerator so that it can be a set structure. It can have a set structure and it will be set to make the donuts. Now after half an hour we are back with the mixture of donuts, and here you can see the mixture is very set and it is ready to be made. After making donuts, we will be just needing its coating, and for coating we will be needing egg. 2 eggs are here. Then we will be needing corn flour. We will be needing breadcrumbs, and for enhancing the flavor I'll be adding salt and again chili garlic sauce. Now I'm adding just a pinch of salt in egg batter and mixing it so that it will give us a nice flavor. And then I'll be adding this chili garlic sauce. It will give our donuts a very nice sparkling color. You can add one more. You can just lessen it if you don't like this. Now we will be adding the salt into our corn flour so that it will just enhance the flavor, and we will just mix it up. Now we are going to make donuts, and before making the donuts we have to grease our hands so that we can give a good formation of donuts. And we will be taking a handful from the mixture of donuts like you take for making any kebabs or cutlets. Now we will be just giving it a shape of kebab by pressing it. Now you can see I have given the proper shape of kebab. Now after making this round kebab, we are going to just give it a shape of donut. I'm using here a cutter to just give it a ring shape. You can use any cap of the bottle as well. Now here you can see a ring shape of donuts is ready. Just set it and give it a proper look. Then after giving it a shape of donut, we have to just put this donut into corn flour. We will be just doing a coating of corn flour so that its smoothness is achieved. Then we will just put it into the egg mixture. And now finally we will be giving it a coating of breadcrumbs. You can wipe your hands so that a good coating of breadcrumb can be given. Now the shape of donut is ready. Likewise, you can prepare more donuts. You can see our donuts are ready and it's pretty much ready for frying. So let's go to the kitchen and start frying it. Now our oil is ready and it is ready to fry. It was preheated and it should be medium low so that our donuts should be cooked from inside also. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now it will cook in medium low flame. You can see they are very smooth, not a single crack. And now we are going to take out these donuts. You can see how crispy and crunchy donuts are made. Our chicken donuts are ready. They are super healthy, scrumptious and yummy donuts. You can enjoy this with the cheese topping, or you can enjoy this with ketchup or green sauce. Hope you like today's recipe. They are super healthy and scrumptious. Do try this and enjoy this with your friends, with your families and with your loved ones. And win their hearts. Remember me in your prayers. Jazakallah khair. Allah.